With the upgrade of logistics equipment, the environment-friendly and energy-saving new type logistics solutions can effectively improve work efficiency and reduce cost. According to the test and the collected user information, the tow tractor can improve efficiency by 3 times compared with traditional logistics mode during long-distance transportation, which greatly reduces operation cost, improves safety and its impact on environment. Under the guidance of the Sustainable Development Strategy, Heli launches the electric tow tractor series product, a green, efficient and environment-friendly logistics equipment in real sense. Heli is always dedicated in the development of green and environment-friendly industry, making efforts to fulfill its social mission of sustainable development. Heli has international advanced manufacturing process and has built the sole national enterprise technology center in the industry and a provincial key industrial vehicle laboratory. Heli has established an excellent team for the R&D, manufacturing and test for tow tractor products to ensure that Heli tow tractor always lead the industry. With internationally advanced development concept and alternating current control technology, Heli electric tow tractor has high competitiveness. Adhering to the human-oriented design concept, Heli aims to provide more efficient, energy-saving, comfortable and reliable products and win good reputation in international markets. Heli tow tractor is widely used in airports, stations, ports, warehousing, workshops, etc. All kinds of transportation logistics, providing reliable guarantee for the logistics and transportation in various industries. As the largest tow tractor manufacturing base in China, Heli creates more value for customers with rich product lines, which cover from 1.5 to 2.5 ton electric tow tractor, 1 to 30 ton electric platform trucks, 2 to 8 ton internal combustion tractors, and 0.4 to 80 ton trailers. Featuring good flexibility and maneuverability, Heli from 2 to 4.5 ton stand-type electric tow tractor is an efficient solution of the components transportation for automobiles and household appliances manufacturers. Electric power steering and side pull battery design make operations simple, quick and convenient. Featuring human-oriented and comfortable operation, Heli from 1.5 to 6 ton 3-point electric tow tractor is applicable to cargo transfer in warehouses. And man-machine interactive instruments achieve optimal match of the operator and the vehicle. Heli from 8 to 25 ton 4-point electric tow tractor is applicable to transfer cargo and luggage in railway stations, postal services and airports. Featuring strong power and good gradability, it can handle various kinds of work. With advanced power brake system, it has excellent performance and safety guarantee. Heli from 1 to 5 tons electric platform tractor is applicable to transfer parts and components in subway and plants. The hydraulic power steering system achieves convenient and efficient steering operation. Advanced electric motor noise reduction technology features, energy saving and environment care makes for comfortable driving experience. Tough equipment, strong loading capacity. Heli, from 15 to 30-ton platform tractor, is applicable to transfer the equipment and goods for large enterprises. As the large power integrated electric axle drive system continuously provides strong power, it can easily handle large amounts of goods transportation with strong loading capability, driving smoothly. Heli is making efforts to provide users with efficient and convenient logistics solutions, improve product quality with cutting-edge technologies, and create value for customers. Heli forklifts, lifting the future.